Tired of missing your favorite Twitch streamer's content? Let's set up instant Discord notifications for every live stream, highlight, or milestone achievement. First, head over to Zapier, the automation tool that will connect Twitch and Discord for us. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. The free plan is often sufficient for basic Twitch notifications. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Zap button. This will start the process of building our automated workflow. Now, search for Twitch as the trigger app. A trigger is the event in Twitch that will start the Zap. For this example, let's choose the new stream started trigger. This means every time a streamer goes live, it'll kick off our automation. Next, connect your Twitch account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to authorize Zapier to access your Twitch data. Make sure you're logged into the correct Twitch account. Now, specify the Twitch channel you want to monitor for new streams. Type the streamer's exact username into the field. Zapier will now test the trigger to make sure it's working correctly. If you recently had a live stream, you should see some data here. If not, Zapier will use previous data, or you can have a recent stream for it to pull info. Now it's time to tell Zapier what to do when a new stream is detected. Search for Discord as the action. The action is what Zapier will do in response to the trigger. Select Send Channel Message as the action event. This will post a message to your chosen Discord channel when a stream starts. Connect your Discord account to Zapier. Similar to how you connected your Twitch account, you will need to authorize Zapier to access your Discord server. Now, customize your Discord message. Select the Discord server and the specific channel where you want the notifications to appear. Then, craft your message. You can use data from the Twitch trigger, like the streamer's name, stream title, and stream URL to make it dynamic. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. And that's it. Now, whenever your chosen Twitch streamer goes live, a notification will pop up in your designated Discord channel, keeping your community in the loop.